Everyone was so emotionally charged into that auditorium. In fact, Colonel Mathur after the play tells me that if military protocol नहीं होगा तो मैं भैया ना हाथ में भी गाना होगा. I mean, it was such a thing. So the response has been great, quality has been great, and we have decided from the trust side that definitely this is going to be one of our permanent kind of features, something dedicated to the army, something dedicated to the soldiers. And we'll take it all over. We'll take it all over. We'll take it to all the parts of the country. Further, there are a lot of other, in brief now, there are a lot of other things that we are doing, like we are getting into, we are commissioning songs in Dogri and making audiovisuals and making this thing and putting it on the YouTube. So that there's been Lalit Ji, he's been just been to Sweden or somewhere. He was saying, I meet a lot of friends abroad and they say, agar Dogri gaane sunne to kuch na sunna, they are not available. So our effort now is to put a lot of, at least by end of this month, we'll be putting around 20 songs on YouTube. Then we are doing a project for publication of folk tales. Then we are doing a project where, if you see India Today TV, there's a quiz program going on for the school students. From all over the country, the students are coming, and Rajdeep Sardesai is conducting the quiz program. So we collaborated with him to take up 3 schools from 3 villages, one from Jamnagar, from Kashmir, one from Lodha, and put them there, so that they participate. And that is also going to be, it's going to be, he says, at least the next 5 years, it's there. So next 5 years, we'll give opportunity to our students also to go and participate in these kind of things. Another important aspect that we are trying to do is define, we have now started everything to do with the delivery, but we want now to start integrating everything from all the 3 parts of the state. Now we want to go into everything what Kashmir stands for, everything what Ladakh stands for. Integrate all 3 and take it to the country and show them what J&K is all about. And finally, we are thinking globally also. So 3 centers have been shortlisted. So if everything goes fine, maybe next year we'll host something in Melbourne, Sydney, or London. So that is, let's hope for the best. So that is what we are planning to do, and we need your cooperation, we need your guidance, we need your feedback, we need your suggestions, and we are here to stay, and we'll give you a lot of quality work, a lot of things that you will feel, that anyone feel proud of Dogri culture, Kashmiri culture, Ladakhi culture, of J&K state as such. As such, there is so much of strife going on in our state, but we are trying our best so that some 2 days of great music, great dance, great recitation of poems, something like that, which gives you, which makes you reflect, which makes you feel better, light. So we'll be part of that for all times to come. Once again, thank you so much for everyone being here, and thank you sir for spending time on graceful cultivation. Thank you so much.